Now here we can take what? RES. Then next after that, factory dot get bean of ID1. Now get bean method returns what? Object of object class. Then after that, we need to typecasting to the sample bean. Sample bean SB is equal to sample bean of O. Now SB dot print map. That's enough. Close the client, close the class. So whenever we are asking to the request here factory dot get bean of ID1, what is happening? Internally, which class object is going to be created first of all? First of all here, hash map object is going to be created. Map M is equal to new hash map. Internal process. New hash map object is going to be created. After creating the hash map object, now it is going to be putting the values. M dot put K1. Now here 1001. M dot put K2 1002. M dot put K3 1003. Like this, map object is going to be created and it is going to be stored into the values into map. After that, which class object is going to be created? Sample bean. Sample bean SB is equal to new sample bean. After that, SB dot set employees of M. This is what? Internal process. This M object is going to be given to the internally here. Now it is become an object, then we can iterating the values. If it is properties collections, now properties P is equal to new properties. Like this, an object is going to be created. Then as it is same code only. Right? Now we'll see this example practically. Right? Right. So now we have to create the one project. First of all, opening the Eclipse IDE, click on new button, Java project. Under that we can take what? Collection project. Collection project. This is the project name. Now next step, we have to add the jar files. Right click on project name, build path, configure build path, add external jars. Under that, spring.jar, commons logging.jar. These two jar files we can add to build path. After that, what we have to do? First we need to develop here component. So we need to develop the component. Extract the project, right click on src, new class. Now here I am taken sample bean sample bin, sample bin, sample bin. Under that, first we need to import here util package. Import java dot util dot star package. Then next, after that, private list data. Then next, private map. Generics we need to pass here. String, comma, integer. String, comma, integer. Then employees. Then next, after that, what we have to do? We need to generate the here setter methods. We need to generate the setter methods. Select that properties, source, generate setters and getters. Here setters is enough. Now just we can generate the setter methods. Click on OK. That's enough. All the setter methods are going to be generated. After generating the setters, then we need to print that data. That purpose we need to write the some business logic here. So how to write that business logic? Now just observing here, public void print list. Then next, after that, what we have to do? Iterator it is equal to data dot iterator. Then next, after that, while it dot as next. Then next, after that, system dot out dot println it dot next method. Then next, close the while loop, close the method. The next business method, public void print map. Then next, after that, what we have to do? So now here set s is equal to employees dot entry set. Then next, after that, what we have to do? Iterator it is equal to s dot iterator. The next, while it dot as next. The next sys was before this map dot entry. Ma is equal to now map dot entry. Then it dot next method. Then next, after that, system dot out dot println me dot get key. The next plus me dot get value. The next, That's enough. That's enough. Now we can configure these values inside the Spring configuration file. Spring configuration file. Right click on src, new, others, XML, spconfig.xml. spconfig.xml. First we have to place the DTD here. We need to place the DTD. We need to place the DTD here. So now copy that DTD from the internet, otherwise we can take existing applications. Copy that DTD. Paste here. This is the DTD. Then next, the root element called beans. Under that, bean ID is equal to ID1. Then class equal to sample bin. Then next, after that property name equal to what I am taking here, data. The next, we have to take the list. Under that, value, what we have to take here, 1001. So now close the value tag. The next, value 1002, or this is allowed by the any type of homogeneous and heterogeneous. Durga I am passing. The next, value, so now Hyderabad. Close the value. The next, close the list. The next, close the property. The next, another property is there. Property name is equal to employees. Under that, take the map collections. Under that, entry, key is equal to K1, then value is equal to 1001. Close the value. Next, entry, key is equal to K2, then value is equal to 1002. Then next, entry, key is equal to K3, value is equal to 1003. Then next, close the map. The next, close the property. The next, close the bean. The next, close the beans. How many properties are there? That many properties we have to define like this. After that, what we have to do, we need to develop the client application. We need to develop the client application. Right click on src, new class. Now here I am taking what? Client. Now we can develop the client application. First of all, we need to import org dot spring framework dot core dot io dot star package. The next, import org dot spring framework dot beans dot factory dot star package. The next, import org dot spring framework dot beans dot factory dot xml. After that, main method. The next, resource res is equal to new class path resource. Under that, we have to pass what? spconfig.xml. The next, bean factory is equal to new XML bean factory. New XML bean factory. So now what we have to pass here? res. The next, object o is equal to factory dot get bean of id 1. The next, after that sample bean sb is equal to sample bean of o. Then next, after that, sb dot print list. Then next, sb dot print map. Testing purpose I am developing like this client application. So now client application is over. Then right click on this client, run as Java application. We will see here, this is what a list, up to here list. This is the list, right? This is the list. This is what? Map data, right? Like this, we can print the list data as well as map data. Okay, this is the collections. Okay, in Spring, loose coupling, dependence in the form of primitive and string based values, and dependence in the form of objective and collections, loose coupling, right? This is the collections as part of Spring Framework, right? Then next session we will see the constructor injection. This is what setter injection so far. I completed setter injection. Then next we will see the constructor injection. Okay, tomorrow session, right? Thank you.